So these are my lens wipe dispensers from Zeiss. I find these lens wipes really good. They're good for cameras and they're also good for your glasses. And usually they're just in a box and I've fudged something together. But what I've done here is create a dispenser much like my tea dispenser. So this is the horizontal version. It fits 40 of these little double back packs to the top. Technically it's like 41 or 42 or something, but basically just 40, and they come out this way on this one. And this little black one here is actually the narrow version. So the narrow version is going upstairs on my desk, and this one's going to live down in the kitchen as well. They've got a window if that's your thing. It cuts down on the print time, but also shows you how much like how full these things are and whether you need to fill them up. You can see there we go. They're about 140 high by 60 mil across, and however deep that is depending on which version that you've got, and I think they look really nice. They come together in one project file on MakerWorld, so you can download the MakerWorld file, the 3MF file, which you can open in Orca obviously, and you can print whichever plate you want, whether you want the narrow or the wide, or you can download the STLs and do it that way as well. So you've got an option there. The lids obviously just come off. That's why they just sort of snugly fit on there. So that depends on your printing basically. What was I going to say? Yeah, print with a 0.4 or 0.6 nozzle. I wouldn't go any higher. I think a 0.6 looks really nice. You get this really nice sort of striation sort of thing. This is an Elegoo matte black, which has a really nice finish to it. Actually, it's almost satiny finish, looks like a record. And that's Elegoo white actually. Now, word of warning though, don't do what I did here and forget to put the seam at the back. That is a seam here and it messes up the nice smooth edge on the front. I also advise against going higher than 30 mil at a 0.3 layer height. Go for 0.24 or 0.20 with a 0.4 nozzle or a 0.6 nozzle. I wouldn't go for anything more than that, otherwise the printout can be a bit dodgy. And if you are going to go larger, use support right in the mouth here. This one's nice and steep, you don't need it. You can see it really finishes off really nice, but again, put the seam at the back. Yeah, so available now for MakerWorld to download. It's free. Every time you download, like, share, subscribe on MakerWorld, along with these videos, you help the channel grow and help me make more of these things. And because filament is expensive, so the more you buy, the more filament I can get, and the more I can keep the printer printing to make more of this stuff. Okay, ciao for now.